Hello, I'm the CEO of New Line Media. If you want to generate leads and grow your business fast, here's my guaranteed process on how to easily grow your business with digital marketing without the work.
Hi,
Hello,
Hi there,
I'm the CEO of Slingshot Creative.
Blue Sky Media.
Digital 360.
If you want to generate leads and grow your business fast,
Here is my guaranteed process
On how to easily grow your business.
with digital marketing,
without the work.
Today, we're going to talk about followers. And I'm not talking about your followers on your social media profile. We're talking about people who follow in this industry. With social media is such a new thing in digital marketing, anyone can watch some YouTube videos and say, hey, I am the next marketing consultant or marketing guru. With marketing today, everyone kind of talks about the same thing, which there's nothing wrong with that. It doesn't matter if it's Gary Vee or Neil Patel or Ty Lopez. It's about winning attention. It's talking about macro versus micro. You hear all these terms. It's because marketing is marketing. So it's getting in front of your audience and being able to grab them. There's nothing wrong with taking some of the knowledge from these other marketers, reduplicating it and saying it in a different way. But how many of these so-called gurus really do the stuff themselves? How many of them really understand how social media platforms work? Are they actually just subcontracting work to other people and they're doing their dirty work and they're just being talking heads? Those are questions you need to ask. What have they done themselves? What kind of businesses have they built? What is their strategy? Do they understand how a Facebook pixel works? What is search engine optimization? And how does keywords work? They have to have broad understanding in order to be your guru. Because in today's marketing industry, it's just so easy to just watch some YouTube video of other influencers or digital marketing consultants and just copy what they say and repeat it. Let's be original. Let's be authentic. If you have a business, you have an organization, you have an idea, and you're leading the pack, keep doing what you're doing and be original. Speak for yourself. Don't watch some influencer and copy their content or try to say what they say, because you all have a mind of your own.